International Plastic Bag Free Day is being observed across the globe today, and plastic continues to be a growing threat to the nature, with about 400 million tons of plastic waste being generated annually. Deepika Mehta has a report that tells you about significance of International Plastic Bag Free Day and also reminds us of our responsibilities.
International Plastic Bag Free Day is observed every year on the 3rd of July with an aim to eliminate the use of single-use plastic bags. The need stands out of the threatening figures that pose danger to life on Earth, with about 400 million tons of plastic waste being generated annually. In 2008, Zero Waste Europe launched a campaign against single-use plastic bags. In 2014, India launched Clean India Mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. In 2015, the European Union also passed certain directives to reduce the usage of single-use plastic bags. The movement gained momentum over the years, with many countries implementing bans on plastic bags. India is now playing a key role in reducing the usage of plastic. In 2019, from the ramparts of the iconic Red Fort in India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called on people to stop the use of single-use plastic bags in his Independence Day speech.
मैं स्टार्टअप वालों को, टेक्नीशियंस को, उद्यमियों को आग्रह करता हूं कि हम इन प्लास्टिक के रिसाइकल के लिए क्या करें। जैसे हाईवेज बनाने के लिए प्लास्टिक का उपयोग हो रहा है, ऐसी बहुत सी विधाएं हो सकती हैं, लेकिन जिसके कारण अनेक समस्याएं पैदा हो रही है, उससे मुक्ति के लिए हमने ही अभियान छेड़ना होगा।
India has remained committed to curb the usage of plastic across the country. Right from the year 2014, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Swachh Bharat Mission, to a ban on identified single-use plastic items that was notified by the Ministry of Environment and came into effect in 2022, India has been adopting innovative packages as well.
ये जो जैकेट है, ये रिसाइकल मटेरियल का है, लेकिन ये रिसाइकल मटेरियल की भी विशेषता है। इसकी विशेषता ये है, जो टेलर के यहाँ कपड़े के टुकड़े निकलते हैं, ये सारा वेस्ट इकट्ठा किया हुआ है। फिर जो पुराने कपड़े हैं, उसको भी इसमें लिया हुआ है और 30-40% वेस्ट प्लास्टिक बोतल को लिया हुआ है और उन सबको रिसाइकल करके ये कपड़ा बना है।
About 400 million tons of plastic waste is generated annually, a figure expected to jump by 62% between 2024 and 2050. Much of this plastic waste leaks into the environment, especially into the rivers and oceans, where it breaks down into smaller particles. So this International Plastic Bag Free Day, let us pledge to switch to recyclable options in our daily lives and take small steps towards securing the environment. Deepika Mehta's report for DD India.